The latest on Donald Trump in court this morning as the former president goes on trial in a $250 million civil fraud case brought by the New York State Attorney General. Our senior investigative correspondent, Aaron Katersky, is at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Good morning, Aaron.
Rebecca, good morning to you. Former President Trump arrived here at this courthouse just a moment ago, entered through a side door, walked up to the third floor to enter a courtroom and come face to face with a judge who has already ruled much of his wealth is a mirage and the result of fraud. This morning, Donald Trump begins a civil trial that puts him at risk of losing control of the business that propelled him to the White House. New York Attorney General Letitia James sued Trump, his adult sons, Don Jr. and Eric, and their family real estate firm for persistent and repeated business fraud that grossly inflated how wealthy Trump really is.
Donald Trump engaged in years of illegal conduct to inflate his net worth, to deceive banks and the people of the great state of New York.
The investigation began more than 4 years ago after Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, told Congress Trump lied about the value of his properties.
It was my experience that Mr. Trump inflated his total assets when it served his purposes.
The judge has already decided the core of the case, finding clear, indisputable documentary evidence Trump inflated his net worth by as much as $2.2 billion to win more favorable terms on loans and insurance. Trump has denied it, calling the judge deranged and telling a campaign rally in Iowa,
"It's happening for a single reason, because I'm the only candidate they do not want to run against."
But the judge's ruling said Trump was living in a fantasy world, and it's already threatening to wrest from Trump's control some of his prized assets, including his signature skyscraper, Trump Tower on Fifth Avenue, where he rode the golden escalator to announce his first run for president.
The stakes here are enormous for former President Trump, because if he is barred from doing business in New York and he is required to sell off all of his New York real estate portfolio, it could cost him hundreds of millions of dollars and severely damage not only the Trump brand, but also the value of his business.
The trial will help the judge determine how much Trump has to pay in penalties. The state has asked for $250 million. Trump is here listening to the opening statements in this civil trial, but he's going to have to come back here later when the state calls him as a witness. Lindsay?
Aaron, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.